Hello everyone. Let's continue our analysis of chapter 5. Let me show what we are doing. So, this is chapter 5 net present worth analysis. In this, there are these six topics. So, we finished a couple of videos on the first two topics. Now, come to the third topic net present worth analysis. I will solve two problems on that. So, one is this problem 5.7. Okay, so what is the present worth of the project like this? Okay, so for this there are different ways to solve it. So let's just visualize this. So first I'll go for cash flow diagram. Okay, so I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so I have 6 years present worth of the project, which requires $130,000. Okay, so here this is the initial investment, $130,000. Then now receives 40,000 every year for 6 years at an interest rate of 14%. Okay, so here interest rate is 14%, and it will give a revenue of 40,000 every year. So these are all 40,000. Okay, so now I need to calculate the net present worth. So basically, what we need to do is transfer all these future revenues to the present year. So from sixth year to first year and so on like that. So I will show you the formula. This can be done in Excel, but then if it is in the exam, then how to do it? So present worth. Okay. So present worth. This is same. It requires and I put negative sign because it is a cost, so you should give a negative sign. Plus, now there are six equal payments from year 1 to 6. So equal payments means I can find P by A. Okay, so that is the notation. Okay, so this is just a referring to the table. I'll show you. So this is the table what we have, P by A table. I'll show that later. So given the value of A, find what is the present worth. Okay, so P by A, and the interest rate is 14%, and the years is 5 years. And what is the amount we are getting into 40,000? Okay, so 40,000 multiplied by this factor. So this calculation will give me the present worth of this project. Okay, so minus 130 plus 40,000 multiplied by. Now I need to refer to this particular sheet. Okay, so here I'm interested in 5 years, sorry, 6 years, right? This is 6 years. 6 years, 14%, and P by A. That means what is the present value given the annual payments? Yes, annual revenues, 40,000. So what is the present? So for this, I need to look at the P by A, find P given A. So 14% is here in this column, and when the duration is 6 years. So here 6 years is there. So I need to go horizontally for sixth year and then 14%. So 3.8887 is the data. So once again confirm 6 years and then 14%, 3.8887. Okay. So 3.8887. So now let us do this. So 40,000 into 3.88, sorry, 3.887. So I'm getting 1,55,480. Okay. So minus 130 plus 155,480, and this one I can subtract one. Sorry. So 25,480. $25,480. So this is the present worth, uh, and this is positive. Okay, so positive. So therefore, the project is worth it. Okay, so we can go with the project. So that is the answer for this question 5.7. Okay. So let's solve one more question like this. Okay. So the question is like this. Larson Manufacturing uh, is considering purchase of new injection molding machine. Sorry. Yeah. So again, let us try to make the cash flow diagram for this. So zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 5 years? Let's see. Injection molding machine for 250 to expand the production capacity. It will cost an additional 20,000 to do the site preparation. So all these things will be in the cost in the first year. That is 0th year. So 250 plus 20. That means 270. This is my initial investment cost. Okay, so this data I have used already. With the new injection modeling machine installed, Larsen Manufacturing expects to increase the revenue by 90,000. Okay, so the revenue will increase by 90,000. That will be every year. So because revenue numbers are calculated for per year. Okay. So I'm getting revenues like this. So it's only 5 years actually. The expected salvage value of 75,000. At the end of the 5 year, I will also get positive 75,000 as a salvage value, and then this is 90,000. Actually, this should be bigger, $90,000 per year at an interest rate of 12%. What would be so here? The interest rate for this cash flow is 12%. What would be the purchase of injection molding machine, whether it is justified? So let us try to calculate the present worth. Okay, so what is the present worth? So present worth already starts with this minus 270,000. Okay, because this is in the 0th year, it will come directly. Then there are two things. Okay, so there is a salvage value of 75 and equal payments of 90. So here plus 90,000 multiplied by, I want to convert into present value given the annual payments P by A and 12% for 5 years. Then plus 75,000. This is a salvage value. I want to know this is the future value of 75. I want to convert to present value. So P by F I should use. So this is again 12% and the years are 5. So this is a calculation I need to do. So minus 270, 90,000. So multiplied by some number here plus 75,000 multiplied by again some number here. So now I need to refer P by A and 12% 5 years. Okay, so again look at this sheet. So this is P by A sheet, 12% and 5 years. Okay, so I have 5 years like this. This value 3.6048. Okay, so 3.6048. Similarly, here P by F. So this sheet will not be useful. I need to go for another sheet, that is find P given F. So here again, I need to go for 12% and 5 years. Okay, so the year is 5 and the percentage is 12. So 0.5674. Okay, 0.5674. So that's it. So we got the numbers. So now it's simple. I can calculate the present worth. Okay, so how do you calculate the present worth? So 270. So so 90,000 into 3.6048. So that will be plus 324,432. Then 75,000 multiplied by 0.5674. Sorry, 42,555. So to this I will add this plus 324,432. So to this I will subtract 270,000. So I'm getting 96,000 $987. So this is the net present worth, which is positive. That means this project can be considered. Okay, so, would the purchase of injection molding machine justified? The answer is yes. Okay, so because our net present worth comes to positive. Okay. So I hope now you learned how to do this. So here we solved two problems on net present criteria. So now going back, this is again the topics under this net present for chapter. So now let's do one problem on the other topics, that is future worth, capitalized equivalent, and mutually exclusive alternatives. See you in the next video. Thank you.